Hey, my name is Troy Nowak. I'm a local broker, Airbnb owner, and I manage my own properties. And if you haven't heard, if your property is unincorporated Pinellas, you are going to have to get a certificate of use. This chart shows the deadlines based on your zip code. You can find this at pinellas.gov/A31st. So I just wanted to go over the process of getting this certificate of use. The county made a video of 2 hours long. I'm just trying to give you guys a short and concise one. As always, verify everything in this video with the county. I just want to show you the process, documents, and hopefully we can keep it under 10 minutes and help some people out. So pinellas.gov/STR, click apply for certificate of use. All right, once you get here, I would just control F, search short-term rental. That's the one we want. All right, from here, we are going for the permit. Make sure you have a Pinellas portal account. I already have one. You can see logged in, but you will need to make one if you don't. Right here, number 3, short-term certificate of use is what we're going for. I'm keeping it short. You can read through it. I have read. All right, so from here, short-term rental application is what we want. Next step. All right, so we now need to find the address. So if you put in just basic info, maybe throw in the city and click search, it'll find the parcel ID for you. I already did unit A, so now I'm doing my other unit. Perfect. All of my info is correct, so I'm just going to click select. And as I said, guys, I'm trying to keep this short for you. I already did one unit, so most of it's filled in. Just want to show you the process, all right? So next step, when you have it filled in, all right, and now we're gonna have to fill in property owner and emergency contact. I don't have to do manager because I am my own manager. So select from account, myself, confirm, uh, address info looks good. Just gotta make sure it's my LLC, not my name. Everything looks good there. Add contact address. All right, so it's actually my home address, 330. Just want to make sure we have all this. Save and close. No thanks. Continue. All right, so now we gotta add in emergency contact, which is also myself. Continue. All right, it's Homes LLC, perfect. Add contact address. It's my home address, same address as all of them. Don't need that. Save and close. Perfect. Continue. All right, as I said, if you have a manager or a different emergency contact, you'll have to submit an affidavit for use. I don't, so that's all we need. All right, now we got the documents. I will keep this under 10 minutes so you guys know the exact steps. All right, so here we go. Short-term rental, mine's called the Dunedin Duo, type of residence, mine's duplex units, STR number. You can find this on the certificate. I'll show you on the documents, but this is under the DBPR. You hit request, emailed copy of certificate, and they'll send you this. The owner, it is not my primary residence. It is not a gated community. How many dwelling units are on the property? There are 2. How many bedrooms? This is a 2-bed. Uh, where it will be advertised, VRBO, Zillow, the DunedinDuo.com, and Airbnb. I have liability insurance. I have an active license. Yes, I'm collecting taxes. Yes, it complies with our rules. Yes, I will make sure to ask. This is a new rule if there is a sex offender when someone books. Anyone in the party, not just the person booking. All right, so now we're going to get to submitting documents. This was the most work out of everything, so I already have all of mine because I just submitted a different property. Add, these are all the documents you're going to need. So the deed, you can get this if you go on the property records if you don't have your deed. DBPR license, just hit request certificate from the DBPR website. Local taxes, most of you won't have this if you were just on Airbnb and VRBO. It automatically remits taxes. I actually do direct booking and use a channel manager called OwnerRez, so I have my state and local parking plan. I just took a screenshot of the Google Maps and then drew on the parking spots and labeled it. Hopefully they say that works. Active status in Sunbiz showing my LLC is active. I'm submitting my annual report for Sunbiz as well. State resale certificates. I have that twice for some reason. And yeah, that's it for now. Let me delete this. This is my receipts that I just did. All right, so we're just going to submit all of these documents. Not want to do the resale twice. All right, and once it loads, it makes you put in a description and it makes you label it in order to submit. All right, so this is my deed, so just scroll down and recorded deed. It's kind of slow, but we will keep it under 10 minutes. Recorded deed, have to put the type and a description. Don't need to attach it to anything else. This is my vacation rental license, EVPR vacation rental license. Got it. This is taxes. Local taxes. This is the parking plan. Mine is horrible. I hope they accept it. But like I said, I just took a screenshot of Google and then drew over it. So parking plan. This is verification of active status. So just showing my LLC that I used to manage is still active. Active status verified. Annual report. I don't know if this is needed. I'm just giving them more rather than less because my deadline's come up. I don't want to get fined. Annual report, LLC. And then finally, state resale certificate. I believe this is all the documents. Like I said, guys, verify everything. I just want to do a quick video on the process of getting your license. So state resale, perfect. And then once you're done with everything, you put what type and you put a description, click save. Perfect. All right. Then after that, make sure you have everything. I believe I do. Should see all your documents here. Right. So this is just a review of all the information. Make sure it is correct. Certify that I understand the instructions. We understand. Next step. Perfect. Okay, so last step is going to be to pay the $250 fee. Remember, you still have to get it inspected after you get to this step, but I'm going to stop the video for now. This is what's needed. The only step left is to pay, and then they'll email you a certificate. If you are looking to invest in a short or midterm, even long-term rental in Pinellas County, my name is Troy Nowak. I actually own and operate my own properties, so I can give great rental estimates or advice. I hope this was helpful. Please reach out with any questions in the comments. Thank you.